Hello everyone, my name is Jake. First I just want to apologize if you hear noise in the background. That's just my family speaking. Um, that's all I have to say. But today the video is going to be probably relatively short, but it is about the recent well, not recent, the ongoing Artemis 2 flight, which launched around 20 hours ago yesterday. Um, I believe it was 20 hours on the dot. This mission is designed to be a stepping stone to bring humans into the moon, but the mission Artemis itself is also designed not just to bring humans to the moon, but to keep them there and to act as a stepping stone for Mars. Okay. Um, Artemis 2, I just want to give with Artemis 2, this mission is designed to not bring humans to the moon, but to orbit around the moon and back to Earth. So, like, let's say I'm trying to get a good presentation here. Here, this is the Artemis 2 plan here. You can see there's a couple steps here, but the plan is to go around the Earth, which they're currently doing right now. Then they'll go around it, and they'll use it to go to the moon, because they don't have enough really speed to go to the moon on itself, so they have to orbit the Earth to get enough speed. Currently, um, let's see. Currently, I believe they're on step 8, which, means currently, or maybe they're a bit further than that, but right now, they're still in Earth's orbit. So what they are going to do is that they're going to go around the Earth like this, and they'll sort of make an infinity sign to the moon, and they'll get that by getting up speed by going around the Earth. And I believe in around 3 or 2 hours, they are going to go from Earth's orbit and start heading to it. Now, as you can see here, they're going further than the moon. They will be the furthest humans have ever been from this planet, which you may want to think as a good sign because people want to get away from here. They'll also be going the fastest speed when they go back to Earth because the only way they can get back is just kind of plopping into the Atlantic Ocean, which they will do at approximately 200 around 25,000 miles per hour, breaks the previous speed record, which happened in Apollo 13, which is actually a similar mission to this, although theirs was not intended. They meant to go to the moon, but some stuff exploded, crazy stuff happened, and they had to go around the moon. Now, there's going to be some very cool photos, I would say, of this. For example, Apollo 13 photo. Wait. Have you ever seen, wait. Have you ever seen, one of the photos, like this? This photo was from Apollo 13. We should get a photo similar to this. Sorry it took so long. Oh no, this one. Have you ever seen this photo? This photo actually came from a mission from Apollo 13, which as I mentioned is basically the same thing. So we're basically gonna get another photo like this. Something funny I have to mention is that there were toilet problems on the spacecraft. Now, I imagine you don't want to spend 10 days in space, which is what they're doing. They're spending 10 days, 5 days to get to the moon, 5 days to get back. Imagine you don't want to spend 10 days without a fucking toilet. So yeah. So as you can see, this is not my graph, it's from damn Wikipedia, but this is the mission plan here. You can see they go like this. They go around the moon. They're around, I think they're like here. Let's see. It's a second, so hold on. Let's just wait. You can see this and you see how they're going back. And you'll see how much it speeds up. They're going like 6 kilometers per second currently. That's ridiculous. But right now they're around here. So they have to go whoosh and go to the moon. Now, you may be thinking, what's going to happen after this mission? Now I have answers for you. Now, the next mission will be Artemis 3, which won't bring us to the moon. I believe it's not crewed mission. I know it says crewed. It could be crewed, but I don't know if it is. This is a low Earth orbit mission. This is just orbiting around the Earth. It's just to get a feel for it again. And then Artemis 4, which should happen in 2028, will bring us to the moon. It should last 30 days. We don't know who will be going on it. Apparently, it's scheduled for May 2028, which is in 2 years around. And this mission will just bring us to the Earth. bring us to the moon, and they will start creating a moon base, which is the permanent settlement. So we are literally making a colony on the moon. So the American Empire is so back. We now have colonies everywhere. We're just built different, I guess. So that's just gonna be all for today. This was kind of a low effort video right now, I have to be honest, but this is just for my own enjoyment. I just want to talk about this because I find it very interesting. I'm very happy about this. I very much wanted Artemis 2 to launch soon, and it finally has. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.